here's a dumb mistake I just made. So I was supporting these two tubes. They're hollow inside, and I decided to, put them on the build plate itself, because this part of the model I don't care that much, so it will be a little bit screwed with the elephant foot. But anyway, when I got my result, I got this. So you can see that, this is the where it was attached to the base, and it goes up, and you can see there's this very distinct horizontal line, well, horizontal for how it was positioned. And you can see it's all kind of funky and bad over here and very nice at the top. Yeah, well, it didn't take me a while to realize when I looked back at what I did. Essentially, that's just, yet another reminder of why you need to do holes for ventilation, not to have suction forces and vacuum, essentially. So basically what's happening, if you look at this, is like in Lychee, this is like a simulation just to see how it goes with the bed. So when it starts and goes a little bit up, you can see that in this area over here, when it's skewering the next layer, there is no there is vacuum inside. So when plate goes up, then there is no air or fluid or anything to go inside this cavity and while it's peeling off. And so that creates all these vibrations or whatnot while it's printing, and that what's causing this bad surface finish. And sometimes that actually causes the print failures, but in this case it didn't cause the print failure. Anyway, so the solution for this would be, considering this the inside of this tube, inside curvature part will be not visible to the human eye. So what I would do, if I would print it again, which I will not because it took a lot of material and time, so I would just add a small hole somewhere, like here for example, like this, see, and that hole would, or actually let's make it from inside, it will be more like this. That would be plenty. And so now if we look at preview and we zoom in, okay, let's start from the beginning. So when it begins, this black is basically nothing, so there will be a hole, and even when the hole finishes, every time it was every time it will be going up a little bit, to peel off, there will be always this hole that allow air to suck in when it's going up, and so it will be peeling off the same way as everything else peeling off. There won't be any vacuum inside. Well, yeah, next time I'll double check what I'm doing.